In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start earning passive income online with CPA marketing, and I'm going to show you how to do this with simple short videos. And also keep in mind, you can do this with any CPA network of your choice, and I'm going to break down everything in today's video. And like I said, we are going to be taking simple short videos like this, and I'm going to show you how to generate thousands of traffic every single day to your link and start making money. And you can do this in any niche of your choice. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online, and if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the first thing you will be needing is to pick a niche. And now you can see right here, I have made available to you over 100 niches that you can pick from, and you can implement the strategy that I'm about to show you in this video. So all you need to do is to pause this video and go through this list and pick any niche of your choice right here. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be taking number 49 as an example, which is the video game niche. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and you can replicate the same strategy with other niches on this page. So the next thing you want to do is to go over to namecheap.com, and you want to purchase a domain and a hosting. All right, so all you need to do is to type in a domain name right here. Since I'm working with the video game niche, I'm going to type in something like Gamers Place right here. So once you type this, you want to click on search. So if you do that, then you want to scroll down to see if that domain name is available or not. As you can see, the domain name is available right here, gamersplace.com, and as you can see, you can get it for $5.98 on Namecheap. So basically all you just need to do is to click on add to cart, and you'll be spending just about $6 to get this domain name from Namecheap. So once you purchase that domain name, then the final step is to come over to hosting. And once you come over to hosting, you want to click on shared hosting. And if you do that, as you can see, you can purchase the basic plan for just about $2. This is all you need to do to purchase a domain name and a hosting plan from namecheap.com. Then the next step is to set up a simple landing page that looks like this. And like I said, this must be related to whatever niche you're working with. As you can see right here, there are various games on this page. And now I'm going to show you how to create this type of landing page. So to get that landing page, all you need to do is to go over to fiverr.com and type in CPA landing pages. And as you can see right here, this one is going to build a landing page for gaming niche. And as you can see right here, it can work on OG ads, CPA build, CPA lead, and you can use it on Cpagrip as well. All right, as you can see right here, this seller is going to provide you with various games that you can upload on your website. All right, so as you can see right here, you can get 15 games for just $5. So all you need to do is to pay this person $5, and this person is going to provide you landing pages that you can use for this strategy. So once you get your landing page, then all you need to do is to upload the landing page on your domain name. So once you have your domain name set up and you have your landing page ready, the final step is to then go over to your app store. And this depends if you're using an Apple or an Android. All you need to do is to go to your app store, because you're going to be doing this on mobile. So if you come over to the app store, all you just need to do is to type in screen recorder. So once you do that, you are going to see various apps that you can use to screen record your phone. All right, so all you need to do is to download any of this app right here. Any of them is going to work fine. The next step is to then create a video that you're going to be using to drive traffic to your domain name. And as you can see, this is an example right here. You can see this person is promoting this game right here, and this video has gotten over 1 million views. All right, so if I click on this video right here, you can see this is a very simple video right here of this guy showing people how to download this video game. All right, so as you can see, once people type in the game name right here, it's going to bring out the website this person is promoting. Okay, so now people will come over to this website, and once they download this game, you will be making money. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do something similar. You don't need to add someone like this right here. You don't have to do that. I'm going to show you an example of a simple video I made, and you can use this because I have been using this video as well. So as you can see right on your screen, this is an example of a similar video related to that one that I created, and I have been using this type of videos to drive traffic to my domain name. As you can see, all you need to do is to type in your domain name and you want to type in the name of the video game. It's going to automatically take them to your website, and if they complete CPA offers on your website, you make money. It's that simple. And I'm going to show you how to create that type of video. So you want to come over to canva.com and you want to click on videos. So once you click on videos, you want to make sure to click on mobile videos because you want to use this video across multiple social media platforms. As you can see on your screen, this is the video I made on canva.com, and you can see that video is similar to the one I showed you. However, some people might be interested in getting someone like this appear on that video, and that is very simple to do. All you need to do is to go over to the search section of YouTube and you want to type in green screen video man eating screen. All right, so once you type this, you're going to see a lot of green screen videos that you can use for this method. So now if I click on this one here as an example, all right, so as you can see right here, this person is doing something similar, just like the one the previous video did. So you can download this video and you can use them to create that type of video. But like I said, it's not really necessary to do that, as you want to keep your video as clean as possible. You can basically use arrows to indicate where people should go to when they come over to the page. So now the next thing you want to do is to come over to talkchat.com, and this is a secret website I use to get traffic to TikTok videos for absolutely free. All right, so once you come over to this website, this is going to show you the top songs that are currently getting massive views on TikTok. And if you use this song on your video, you are likely going to go viral on TikTok, as I've seen a lot of videos go viral using these songs. So once you come over to the website, you want to click on trending in November. And this is because we are currently in November. So once you click on that, then you want to click on this first option right here. So once you click on this, this is going to show you the songs that are trending in the last 24 hours. And now you want to click on view stats. So once you do that, as you can see, over 136,000 videos have used this song and they are going viral on TikTok. And now if you scroll down, you're going to see the countries that are getting a lot of traffic from this song. And as you can see right here, United States is number one. Almost 50% of the traffic is from US alone, while the rest is distributed amongst other countries. So this shows you are going to likely get most of your traffic from United States. And if you get a lot of people from United States completing your offers, you're going to make a ton of money. The next thing you want to do from here is to copy these hashtags as well. So this is very important because this hashtag goes hand in hand with this song. So you want to make sure to copy the top 3 hashtags because you already know these hashtags are getting a lot of views. All you just need to do is to download that song by going over to YouTube. And to download the song, all you need to do is to click on this video and you want to copy the link to this video. So once you copy the video link, then you want to head over to this website, savefrom.net. So once you come over to this website, you want to paste in the video link right here and you want to then click on this option and you want to scroll down and you want to download audio M4A 131. So, okay, so you want to make sure to download this format right here, and this is going to give you the audio version of this song. So once you download that, all you need to do is to then make sure to upload that audio, something like this. All right, so you want to upload the audio and you want to include it in this video you made. So once you add that audio into your video, then you can then click on share to download this video. So once you do that, all you then need to do from here is to then go over to your TikTok account and you want to upload that video. And I recommend you do this from your mobile device. All right, so once you come over to TikTok and you upload that video, and since we are taking this Talker Live game as an example, all you just need to do from here is to type in a very simple caption like this. And like I said, you want to make sure to include hashtags that are also trending, the ones we picked from that video. And you want to also add in keywords that are related to the video as well. And you want to add in as many keywords as possible. So once you do this, all you just need to do from here is to then upload this video. So you want to repeat this same strategy and you want to upload this same video on YouTube Shorts as well. All you need to do is to create a YouTube account and you want to upload this same video to both TikTok and YouTube. And I can assure you, you're going to get a lot of traffic and people are going to go over to your website. And once people start completing your content lockers, you will start making money. And I assume everybody knows how to create a content locker. If you don't know how to do that, then you can go watch other videos on this channel on how to create simple content locker. And like I said, you can use this for any CPA network of your choice. You can use Cpagrip, you can even use OG ads or whatever CPA network you prefer.